Another exercise you can do early on after knee surgery is a short arc quad. Again, this is a very basic exercise just to get your quad firing. Okay, to do this one, you just need a bed, table, do it on the ground, and a ball. It could be a soccer ball, a basketball, anything that's a decent size. You don't want anything too big and nothing too small. Those two usually work very well. So you're gonna lay down on your back, and you're gonna put the ball underneath your knee. Your other leg can bend up so it's nice and comfy. So the ball is underneath your knee, and all you're gonna do is try and straighten your leg out like that. So your knee stays on the ball, and you're trying to lift your foot up off the table. Okay. So again, you're squeezing your quad muscle here. So lift up, get a good tight squeeze, and then relax. Lift up, good tight squeeze, and relax. You could do this in sets of 10, 15, 20, but usually shoot for at least around 50 repetitions. You can do this a couple times a day.